We're going to teach you how to make a fountain for your patio and only spend $50. We're also going to throw some Buffalo magic and Chica craft magic on it. So let's get started now. Let me ask you a question. Have you ever had some planters or pots laying around the house and didn't know what to do with them? Well, today we're going to show you how to take those and make a fountain out of them for under $50. In addition, we're going to throw a little bit of Buffalo magic on it. My name is Jobuffalo, and if you're new to my channel and you want to improve your relationship by doing things you love to do with people you love to do them with, then you're in the right spot. Hit that subscribe button and ring that bell. Let's head over to the table so we can get this fountain project started and see all the supplies and tools you need. So to get started with our fountain made from pots, we're going to go over what we need, the supplies and tools. Here we have an 8-inch pot, a 12-inch pot, a 16-inch pot, 16-inch saucer, some drill bits, a pond pump, does about 130 gallons per hour, some spray paint, and over here, some rocks to go in. We might even do a little Buffalo magic on this one. Let's get this party started. First, we're going to go ahead and take our saucer and drill a 1/2-inch circle in the middle. Let me go find Chica and get this started. Now that we've got the hole drilled, let's go spray paint this black so it'll match our pot. Be right back. Now that we've painted it, we'll let it dry for an hour and we'll go start on the other part of the fountain. Next, we're going to go ahead and get our 16-inch pot in our 8-inch pot. We're going to go ahead and fill the 16-inch pot up with water, and then we're going to go ahead and submerge the 8-inch pot inside the 16-inch pot upside down inside the water. Sounds like a lot, but we'll show you what we're doing. So now we're going to go ahead and take the 8-inch pot, place it inside the 16-inch pot, and fill that up with water. Now we're going to go ahead and place the pump on top of the pot so it submerges under the water. Now we're going to go get our saucer and place the saucer and the pipes together to make it stay all together. Now we're going to go ahead and place the extension onto the pump. Now we're going to go ahead and place the saucer on top of the pot. Now we're going to take the 12-inch pot and drill a hole in the middle of that. Now we've got our hole drilled in our pot. Now we're going to go ahead and place the pot on top of the pipe. Now we're going to go ahead and fill the rocks on the saucer and the inside of the pot. And now we're going to go ahead and place the extender and sprinkler on the top of the pipe. And then we're going to put the remainder of the rocks in the top pot. And with a little bit of Buffalo magic, hopefully this will work. Oh, don't drink it. Oh, look how pretty. I like it too. All right, this is the part of the video. If you like what you're seeing, go ahead and smash that like button now. Also, we had to reinforce the saucer. As you can see, I had to put a couple screws in as the weight was a little heavy. So make sure you plan for that. And we also go ahead and we cut the PVC pipe a little bit on top, just so it matched the top of the rocks here. There's one more thing I want to add to this. We'll be right back. And there you have it. Now it's much better. With these succulents in here, I'll see if they take, and then we'll surround the whole thing with them. Hey, this was a great project. I want to thank Ileana B. You inspired us by putting the fountain tabletop comment on there last week. So I'm going to go ahead and send you a t-shirt. That's right, you just won yourself a Joe Buffalo t-shirt for the idea. I'll also put a bracelet in there. Thank you very much. That's right, you give us the idea for the show that we're going to put on, and we choose that idea for our show, then you win the item that we make. So give us some comments, lots of them. Once again, if you're not already following me on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter, go ahead and start following us there. And until next week, I'm Joe Buffalo, and we are always entertaining. Have a calm and relaxing week.